Hey guys, in this video, we will show you how to send or transfer money on Wise. Wise is one of the best platforms to send or receive money. So first of all, open up the Wise application. And once you're in the Wise application, on the top, you will get to see the option to send money. Tap on it and you will get to see this dashboard. Here, you need to set the amount that you want to send. After that, you can see how much the recipient will get. You can also change the currency the recipient will get, and you will see the amount according to the selected currency. Also, on the Paying With section, you can set what you're paying with. Right below it, you will be able to see the fees that are included. Then click on Price Comparison in order to compare the price with other options. Now, let's go ahead and tap on Continue. And on this page, you will be able to set up your recipient. You can enter bank details or search UPI and Wise. Now, let's go back to the home page. Below, you can see Get Exchange Rate Updates. You can set up different currencies to get notified about their exchange rates. Now let's go back and select Card from the bottom panel. And if you're using Wise from an eligible country, you will be able to use Wise Card. After that, let's go to Recipient. This is where you can find your friends or add a recipient by tapping on Add on the top right. Then, you need to select a currency for your recipient. After that, you can search by Wise or by their bank details. After that, let's go over to Payments. This is where you can manage your payments, but in my country, it is not available. So now you know how to send or transfer money on Wise.